Hi everyone, we're back with more updates here at TherapyNotes. This maintenance release includes many bug fixes and additional improvements that will be enabled over the next few days. For now, let's highlight what's included in this release. First, we're thrilled to announce the return of our real-time eligibility feature. Practices can once again check insurance eligibility and benefits for their clients directly from their TherapyNotes account for just 14 cents per request. Up next, we've enhanced our payer matching feature to better account for ERAs received without an exact match to the practice's list of payers. This update increases the likelihood that the correct payer will automatically be selected in the likely matches field when reviewing the ERA. Lastly, we've made a few changes to the patient information dropdowns. Users will now be able to select Buddhism from the religious affiliation pull-down list on the patient info page as well as the client info form. Additionally, the languages field has been updated to include Mandarin and Cantonese options from the dropdown, not only on the patient info and client info forms, but on the staff user info forms as well. Stay tuned for more updates and releases in the future. In the meantime, you can follow us on Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, and TikTok. And thanks for watching!